Okay, hello all. Welcome to Data Science with Julia. So I'm very happy today. I just coded, I think I coded decision tree from scratch, and I would like to share with you. So that's the thing. So for past few videos, we were seeing about this entropy on this Titanic data set and all those stuff, right? So with that understanding, we are trying to create a decision tree algorithm from scratch using this data, this Titanic data. So let's see how to do it. So okay, like I'm just importing this MLlib over here. So this is the MLlib. If you go to my code repository, you could see, right? So this is the thing. And what I'm just doing is like, of course, I'm using data frames and I'm using CSV, right? Okay. So now I just want to get this feature engineered data set. So I'm just putting a semicolon over here so that like it doesn't display the data frame, right? So that's the thing, right? Now I'm just having some columns over here, and I just want to only use okay, imagine whenever you what to say, let's say you are a physics student and you study about like Newton's gravitational law. It says like okay, a point attracts another point over here. It doesn't say like the Earth so big and Moon so big attract each other or something like that. So like in order to understand a problem, we need to boil it down to its essence. So, you have got all these names over here, but for decision tree, I just want to use only two columns. That is like P class and survived. Sorry, P class and six. So that's what I'm just using over here. And survived is of course like it's the dependent feature. So the survived depends on six and P class. Okay, so that's the thing. So yeah, these are all part of feature engineering. I'm omitting other what to say columns and only taking the necessary columns I needed. And for decision tree, I just want to keep it simple, right? So like I don't want to complicate with a lot of things. Okay, and yeah, so I'm just taking I'm just putting it like a data frame of minimum columns, df min calls. Okay, so and from for it I'm just cherry picking only these columns. Okay, so that's the thing, and we need to predict whether with the values in this thing 6 and P class or passenger class we are able to predict survived or not. So that's the thing. And okay, this consists of 891 rows, and I'm trying to drop missing, and looks like there is no missing over there. So it's still 891 rows. Okay, so that's the thing, a very good thing. Okay, so yeah, I just had a doubt about set, so I just put it over here. Possibly we can just remove it. Okay, yeah, let it be there. Why not? Okay, so I'm just trying to take unique passenger class. So the unique passenger class is 1, 3, and 2. Yeah, yeah. Set doesn't have any order. Okay, so it could be anything, right? And yeah, similarly, this unique sex is like male, female, right? So like there wasn't no third gender during those stage. Look, they were like, but the thing is like, yeah, those people were never recognized. Like I think they didn't even have citizenship and all those stuff. They went through hell, I think, right? So that's the thing. But anyway, like looks like the world changed for good. Okay. Okay. Now I'm just filtering the first class, right? So yeah. Mostly in this video, like we won't be coding decision tree, but we'll be understanding how to split the data. So you have got this thing, right? Like this 6 and P class, that is passenger class. I need to determine with what column I should split it. Okay. So that I need to do, right? So that's the thing. And yeah, so we are going to understand with what column we are going to split it. So that's the thing. And okay, so and yeah, we have this first class filter. So it filters passenger with class 1. Okay, and we just apply it, and yeah, and yeah, we just take the first few values and looks like yeah. And similarly, like second class, we are just doing it. Okay, and we are just having it over here. And the third class, yes, we are just having it over here. And let's say like okay, like we are calculating entropies of okay, what to say, df min calls, first class, second class, and third class. That is like we are kind of splitting with class over here, right? And we are taking entropies of each and every individual thing. And looks like I won't take class. Okay, like look over here, it's point not 5 and 0.99 and 0.78 and all those point 0.8 and all those stuff. Okay, this is sometimes okay. Some things are better than DF min calls, but other times no. Like over here, this 0.99 is almost 1. It's not better than the entropy of min calls, right? So like the second class entropy is very much mixed. The third class is okay, not so mixed, but the first class is also quite mixed. Like it's 0.95 and 0.96 over here. So that's the thing. So yeah, looks like okay. Look, even if we split, I don't think we are getting a very good gain over there, right? That is, entropy should reduce. Our data set should be the survived should be pure, pure, pure. Like as we split, the survived should become more pure, more pure, more pure, so that we are able to say with confidence after certain splits. Look, this split has survived and this split has not survived. Okay, so that's the thing. So that's the decision tree. So I will just okay, yeah, and I think we did put a diagram over here. Draw.io app. Okay, right. I hope it's there. If it's not there, uh, cancel. I don't want to install this now. Okay, where is recent diagrams? There is no recent diagrams. Open existing diagram. Okay. Oops. Okay. Oops. Code. Okay, not code. Okay, right. Just a second. Just a second. Data science with Julia. Blog. Yeah, I think in this I will have a thing called diagrams. Yes, right. Okay, yeah. So this is the Titanic decision tree, right? So we just try to do this, okay, non-missing and children, adults, and all those stuff. So now just what I'm just doing is like, yeah, let me just put another page. Okay, so here you just got this Titanic. Okay. Uh, okay, so now with what should I split? Okay, should I split with what to say, like, let's say, like, mm, okay, so should I split with what to say, like, a P class? Okay, so or should I split with what to say, that is 6, right? So let's see, like, okay, P class doesn't look so good, right? So now what I do is like I just take this filter min, like, and where the 6 is male, right? And I just get a data frame over here. So df min and what to say, it's df of min calls filter min and all columns, and similarly filter women. Okay, so now what I do is I just put this entropy. Okay, anyway, this df of min calls is the same, right? But if I put like df of men entropy, it's 0.69 and all those stuff, and df of women is 0.82 and all those stuff, right? So looks like the entropy has dropped over here. Look, after split. After split, the entropy is 0.82 and like what to say, zero point 0.7. Okay, so what is zero point 0.8 plus zero point 0.7? Like it's kind of okay, like 1.5. Okay, so I think yeah, 1.5. That divided by 2 is 0.75. That is a bit what to say, lesser than 0.96, right? So this is a better split. So what we need to do is like, okay, like we need to split like what to say, like the 6 first. That is, so the first split should be like where is the text? Yeah, so Windows set. Okay, I'll just put a text over here. So we need to split like men. Okay, men, and another split should become women. Okay, so and I'm not good with this diagram while doing it fast or something like that. I might be able to do it very neat when I do it slow or something. Yeah, I will release a book and all these things will be there, and hopefully, yeah, like you buy it and all those stuff. That might give me some kind of money or something like that. But yeah, but I just want to release it as open source so that like people who can't can even buy it. Okay, so this is the thing, and now we have got like okay, like okay, so we have just got like this main data set, and okay, so and now we have got women data set. Okay, so now we need to see like whether we can split something over here or not. But uh, what should be my first split? Okay, that's the question over here. So definitely it's not going to be this one. Like that I can say. In this two columns, like P class and survived, I don't want to go with first class. So sorry, the P class, that is the passenger class, because it's 0.95, 0.99, 0.8. Okay, so that's almost what to say. Even the if you average the entropy, it will be greater than 0.96. But if you average the split entropy over here, it should be less than 0.96. Okay, so so yeah, I would first go with this split, like split by. Okay, let me put this one. Right. Let me just put a block over here. So and okay, yeah. Just make it more kind of graphical so that like people can understand it better. So so it is going to be, I think, like first thing is going to be like okay, all right. Okay, but yeah, anyway, it's going to be split by what to say 6, right? Okay, so and we just split it by, we should need to split it by men and women. Okay, so that's how it is, and we'll see like how to calculate and all those things. So I just want to keep this video short. So in the next video we will see how to calculate, okay, like how we are building a decision tree from scratch. Okay, but the thing is, the first step we reached, like to find out how to split. So that is, first what you do is you split it, calculate okay, the first step is like which column to split. In the given data set, if I have n columns, out of the n columns, which is the column I need to split first. Okay, so so the thing is, first split it, calculate the entropy, calculate the average entropy. If the average entropy is less than the parent data frame's entropy, right, then split. Okay, or okay, or you just do it for all these things. Okay, like okay, just do it for all these columns. Okay, calculate the average entropy for all these columns. Okay, so whichever one has minimum average. Okay, I'm sorry, it's not like if the average entropy is less than 0.96 or something, because there might be n columns that might be less than 0.96. One might be 0.5, one might be zero point 0.4, and one might be 0.1. Then you need to split first thing with 0.1. Okay, so that's the thing, right? So that's the thing. So find out, okay, which column has what to say after splitting has the least entropy, and do that split first. Okay, and then after that, once again do the same analysis on the split data frames. Okay, so that's how it is. But the thing, yeah, you might feel like okay, it is confusing, but yeah, like yeah, after this, yeah, you will find out like okay, what column you need to split. Possibly if you get like okay, like right, say I just know this because I've done it before, right? I've just done it yesterday, right? So okay, now you just have it like split by P class. Okay, split split by P class. Okay, right? And then what you will do here is okay, like let me just explain another thing. Like I've done another thing, but I just don't want to go into it because it is programmy and some people might not understand. So I just want to explain before I program. Okay, so if you split over here, so what you'll just get is okay, like you will get like three things. Okay, so okay, right, okay, so you'll just get like okay, let me put like this. Okay, and put like this. Okay, and let me take this and put like come on, let me take it and put like this, right? And then you will just get like Okay, first class, second class, and you'll get something like third class over here. So you'll just get like you'll just get like this stuff. So first, second, and third, and you just okay. This is the women of first class, and then women of second class, right? And women of third class, right? So that's the thing. So these are the data sets you'll just get, right? Okay, let's say like, okay, you can't split more than this one. Okay, so let's say like if you try to split men by class, and you're not getting anywhere, you're not going anywhere. Like after splitting various columns, the entropy is still increasing and not decreasing, right? So then what you do is like you just take the survived. Okay, so what you do is like, uh, okay, take survived, because survived is what to say, the thing what you need to calculate, right? Okay, okay, so you just take this survived column. Okay, okay, compute max and just put it out. Okay, so okay, so and then max of it. Okay, you just take the max of it. Okay, right, so that's what will happen actually, like, because that's what happened and I knew it. Okay, the max is okay. The max, I'll tell you how we'll do. So you'll just take the survived column over here of this data set, right? And you will just take the max, like that is the highest vote count. Okay, so and of this column, and you'll just give the max. Okay, if the max is 1, you'll give out 1, and if the max is 0, you'll give out 0. So here it apparently becomes 1. Like, okay, okay. Let me just put it as a comment. Okay. Okay, and I just found out, okay, sorry, max here is 0. I'm sorry, like that is, they didn't survive. Okay, so you've got a lot of 0 values and very less 1 values. Okay, so that's the thing. And similarly the max here is what to say, that's okay, that's what you will find out. Okay, in the next video I will just show you. So this I'm just putting so that like okay, like, okay, yeah, I need to put max and all those stuff over here, and then yeah, I need to do. But yeah, if you find max, a lot of people have survived over here, not survived, not survived. So only the first class women. Okay, so only the first class women have survived well in this data set. So that's what we just found out, and yeah, like it's kind of a disturbing find, but yeah, that's how it is. Yeah, so if you want to see like what I got, like, okay, so if you're curious, like this is a decision tree I just got. Okay, so the first split is by 6, and in 6 male is 0, and the female it's getting split more, and in that we are splitting once more by p class, and in that, okay, second class is 1. Okay, the second class also survived a lot. So they survived a lot. Okay, yeah, fine. The third class didn't survive. So something wrong with the third class, even with the women, right? And the first class, they also survived a lot. Okay, so the first class and second class of, what to say, female survived a lot. So that's the thing. And male weren't lucky, and the third class women weren't lucky. So this is a decision tree. But the thing is, like, you can with this, okay, this is been output as a dictionary in Julia. But the thing is, like, it is just a tree, and it's very easy to visualize, and any human can read it and understand it. So yeah, we will see how we got this and how we got this programmatically, and so that will be next video. I just don't want to overload it. Okay, so anyway, thanks for watching. But yeah, I'm just very happy, like I was able to code decision tree from scratch, and yeah. So I just want to say one thing, like there is this book, like what to say, machine learning in action. I just try to read about decision tree over here, but I just got some idea of it. So, and from that, I just kind of derived it. But the thing is, like, yeah, like I think like this book costs a lot, like especially for people in my country and all those things, like that to a person who didn't attend college. So yeah, you can follow my videos to reduce the cost. And I just want to look first KNN. I got inspired from this book, and this thing also machine learning. Sorry, this decision tree also I got inspired. I didn't understand it, but somehow like I just made it out, and I'm going to see what's next in this book and put videos about it and all those stuff. So yeah, for people who could buy this book, yeah, do buy this book, and it seems to be a good book. And but the thing is, like, yeah, if you can't, don't worry, like I will put videos and all those things. My blog is in mess, so like because I'm feeling more comfortable to put videos than blog, so that's the thing. But yeah, I need to update it too, so that's the thing. But yeah, I've got other works to like I need to earn and all those stuff. So yeah, so that's the thing. So if you can buy this book, buy this book. I'll try to put my book. I'll try to update my blog and all those things. I hope there is time for all those things. So that's the thing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. I hope you kind of feel confident about decision tree now, and now know like what to split first. Okay, so and after this, yeah, we'll write a full decision tree code from scratch. Okay. Okay, fine. Thanks for watching. Bye.